Hi foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take a trip to Naples from where this shrimp Aglio e Olio is. Loaded with flavor in every bite. Are you ready? Let's go. The key to perfection of this dish is extra virgin olive oil. Heat is low and we will cook the garlic slowly. Keep in mind we don't want to brown the garlic. This is ready. Place the shrimp in a single layer so they cook evenly. We will cook one side first and then turn and cook the other. Check the description box for the detailed recipe and more recipe links just for you. We need to season this dish with minimum ingredients. Add the pasta water while the spaghetti is cooking. This will create the sauce we need and also thicken it. Add a few parsley leaves for a lovely herb flavor. This is spaghetti cooked al dante and I have added salt while cooking. Give a good mix and let the flavors come together. Looks great, doesn't it? Let's see how to plate it. Place a generous amount of spaghetti onto the serving plate. Click the subscribe button for such amazing recipes I post every week. We will drizzle some of the sauce for that extra flavor. Garnish with crushed red pepper, parsley, and here I have used pecorino Romano cheese, but if you don't find it, you can also add Parmesan instead. A perfect date night dinner dish is ready to serve. Give a big thumbs up and thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.